Welcome to our channel Transform Academy. Are you ready to revolutionize your career? Data science is the future. It combines statistics, programming, and domain expertise. In just 6 months, you can master 3 key skills: Python, SQL, and AI. Let's break it down step by step. First, tackle Python. It's user-friendly and versatile. Start with basics like syntax and data types. Next, learn libraries like Pandas, NumPy, and Matplotlib. They simplify data manipulation and visualization. Practice with projects. Analyze datasets and create visual reports. Then, move on to SQL. This language is essential for querying databases. Start with how to create, read, update, and delete data. Understand joins, aggregations, and indexes for efficient data handling. Combine SQL with Python. Learn how to extract and manipulate data. Next up is artificial intelligence. Begin with fundamental concepts. Study machine learning basics, focusing on supervised and unsupervised learning. Experiment with models like regression and classification. Use scikit-learn for practical implementation. Integrate your skills. Use Python for data analysis and SQL for data retrieval. This integration enhances your data science projects. Scenario: imagine analyzing customer data. You gather insights using SQL and visualize trends with Python. With AI, predict customer behavior and optimize marketing strategies. Now, let's summarize. To master data science, focus on Python, SQL, and AI. Learn Python for programming, SQL for databases, and AI for machine learning. Engage in projects to build hands-on experience. In just 6 months, you can become proficient. Ready to take the leap? Start your learning journey today. Join Transform Academy's data science courses on our website using the link in the description box below. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more insights. Keep learning.